In this video, I'm talking about the worst parking lot that I've ever striped, and if you stick around until the end of the video, I'm gonna actually show you guys a technique that you can use to help you stripe better lines on uneven surfaces. Now we're at the job site where we're actually wrapping up, loading the machine back up in the trailer. I'm gonna show you the ground, and then after that, I'm gonna show you the tip that's gonna help you to keep your lines a lot more straighter on uneven surfaces. Let's go. All right, guys, so here's the lot. As you can see, it is very, very uneven. There are dips in the asphalt, and it actually causes the lines to be a little bit wavy. As you can see right there, not too bad, but you can definitely notice a difference. And this job was actually just a basic restripe. And if you guys actually want to learn more about how to restripe parking lots like this, feel free to check out the How to Stripe course. It will be the first link in the pinned comment section and the description, where we actually show you how to do these restripe jobs, making sure the lines are good, even, walking you through the processes of on-site training, so on and so forth. But here, as you can see, this asphalt is absolutely horrible. We got a bunch of deep cracks, alligator cracks. The customer did not want to seal coat the parking lot. He just wanted to restripe it and try to get the property open as fast as possible. And when you're on these striping jobs, where the surface is generally even, it's gonna be a lot easier to control the machine. It's not too difficult. But when you have patching on asphalt, like this, for example, see this shape right here? All that is asphalt patching. And if it's not done properly, it's not going to be even with the edges. And if you're striping a line over that, if you just go directly straight, you will have a very crooked and uneven line. And there's not really much that you can do about it, because the surface of the ground is going to determine how smooth that line is. So you've got one of two options. You can lay a stencil down on uneven surfaces. You can lay a stencil down on each side and then spray it by hand, which is always an option, like that right there. Perfect example, like this right there. Obviously, that's had some asphalt patching towards the front end of the handicap area. So this asphalt is uneven. You can see on the right side, it's slightly higher than the left side. What do you do in a situation like that? Do you just push the machine forward and hit the bump? Well, of course not, because it's gonna cause the line to be uneven. Now, we know if we're striping on asphalt surfaces and there are a lot of uneven surfaces, it's not gonna be perfect, but we still don't want to try to push on through when we're striping the line, because it's gonna be very, very noticeable. So what I like to do is either put a stencil on each side. See where that bump is? Put a stencil on each side and then spray that stencil to make it straight. You can do that. Or you can start from the lower end and stop where it starts going higher. And then you can take your machine, turn it around, and start from up there and work your way back down this way. Is it gonna be perfect? No. But is it going to give you the best line work that you possibly can give your customer? Yes, it will. Because if you just push the machine through and hit that bump, it's gonna be wavy, it's not gonna look good. So that's what I like to do. Either lay a stencil on each side of the line and then spray it by hand, or you can start on the lower end, stop right there, take your machine, reposition it, start from up there, and then work your way back down. And that is how you can avoid having such a wavy line on these asphalt parking lots. Because There's been patching everywhere. And if you're trying to stripe lines through stuff like that, it's gonna be an absolute nightmare. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out how to stripe, and we will see you in the next video.